So thank you so much for turning your videos on. Those of you are turning them on, thank you so much. I'm going to wave, okay? So you wave back at me so that I know you're there. So wave so that I know कि तुम जगे हुए हो और तुम हो. Great. Sheetal, I'm waiting. You're on screen 1 for me. So okay, great. All right, so I can see people waving. Very nice. I'm still waiting for more people to turn their videos on. So please turn your videos on if you're here for the session. It would be really, really nice for me. मुझे बहुत weird लगता है जब trainer ऐसे please video on कर लो ऐसा करता है बैठ के.
Yeah,
So
that
if
would
you
be
can just turn
encouraging.
your videos on, it will be really, really nice.
Yeah, we kindly request everyone here, all the participants, to switch on the videos. And
Oh, great. So I can see Neeru, Sakshi, Fahim, Srijal. Well, I thought मेरे ही मम्मी पापा ने मुश्किल नाम रखा है. I can see so many more people. Just wait at everybody. So you can wait. Awesome. Great. So तुम लोग हो. Very good. So I can see a lot of you. I can see Dipasha, Anuradha. Very nice. That is so sweet of you. Thank you so much, everybody, for turning your videos on. And now we can finally begin. So Ananya called me one day and she said कि मैम हम ना एक काम करते हैं सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर सेशन रखते हैं. ऐसे ठीक है रख लेते हैं लेकिन तेरे सारे के सारे ऑडियंस भाग जाएंगे क्योंकि ये लेक्चर तो तुम दिन भर घर में सुनते हो कि बेटा मत करो क्यों एडिक्ट हो रहे हो मत करो. सो आई टोल्ड अनन्या व्हाई डू यू वांट टू स्केयर योर ऑडियंस अवे. एंड देन शी सेड अच्छा मैम कुछ फिर फन इंटरैक्टिव करते हैं. सो आर यू पीपल अप फॉर समथिंग फन एंड इंटरैक्टिव या तुम्हें लेक्चर ही सुनने. नहीं हो गया ना तुम लोग का. मेरा भी हो कुछ फन करें. Very nice. So great. I am not a lecturer. I am not a teacher. I am a facilitator over here. तो मुझे कुछ चीजें पता है मैं तुम्हें बता दूंगी. तुम्हें मन करे तो यूज कर लेना लाइफ में नहीं तो छोड़ देना. It is that free will of a session. Cool. So before I begin, I would like to know my audience. So you have to tell me. I can read your name. तो नाम लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You have to tell me what city are you from? कहाँ से हो? What are you currently doing? क्या पढ़ रहे हो? And very very important, very important question right now is, which is key. What is one Bollywood or like Hollywood, any movie character that you really relate with, right? So any one movie character that you can really relate with. So hi everybody, I am Anindita. I am from New Delhi. I am a personal growth coach, a therapist and a trainer with various organizations. And I really relate with Jab We Met Ki Geet. Pretty evident, I think so. So what about you? And I'm going to now read what people are writing. Okay, so Karnal, Jim, Panipat, Kurukshetra. And what are you people doing? You have to also write kya kar rahe ho and what movie character do you relate to? Passed high school this year, congratulations. Plus, oh, very nice. You, most of you are like almost 19, 20, 18, 19, 20. Past class 12th, 12th. Piku. Ananya Banerjee is very on spot. She relates with Piku. Okay. Completed graduation. Preeti's completed graduation. Really nice. And what movie characters do you relate to? I would love to know. Karnal, passed class 12th recently. Bangalore, in ex-Indian Air Force, NGO works counseling. That's amazing, George. That's really nice to know. And what movie characters do you relate to? इससे सब ऐसा serious information बता दी मुझे. Naina from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, okay. Simba from Lion King, that I really like. Sanjoli really relates to that. Very nice. What else? No movie character is related to me. That's fine. That is also okay. Do you relate to a cartoon character?
maybe we'll have to ask some director to make a movie wherein this Tanu can actually relate.
So yeah, you can actually like think of a cartoon character too. So what other people, what movie characters do you relate to? Come on, I'm waiting. I don't complete. No, I also don't complete with Jab We Met Ki Geet. I don't have an Anshuman waiting for me pahadiyon mein baith ke, obviously. And I don't give my hand to every stranger in the train. It's just, how can you remotely relate to something? So you don't have to completely relate. If you completely relate, I'll be very worried. So what character do you remotely relate with is also fine. So Nikki relates to Three Idiots का Rancho. Are you इतनी पढ़ाई करता है? Very nice. Dharmendra from Sholay. Joes, okay. I really need to talk about this to you now. Okay, so that is really, really cool. I welcome all of you. And are you people excited? I am always excited, but are you people excited? Great. So we're going to talk about something very, very interesting today, which is social media, right? And its impact on your mental health. Mental health or social media, both of these topics, right? Both of these things are huge umbrella terms, right? There's so many things fit into it, and we just have like 45 minutes, 1 hour today. So we can't, put everything into a bag. It'll be very, very overwhelming. How about we talk about just one aspect of yourself, of your mental health, which is self-esteem. Ever heard of this word? Self-esteem high, self-esteem low, right? You've heard of self-esteem, self-confidence, relatable words. Awesome. So can we today talk about impact of social media on your self-esteem? Works? Shall we? Very nice. So even if you don't know what self-esteem is, I'm here to tell you. So we will begin from scratch. Cool? Amazing. I really love how Dimple is like, जैसे मैंने बहुत सारी notes बना दी. She's going to learn everything today. So first of all, what are some basic ground rules for today's session? One, we will speak in I and me statements. Okay, so we'll say, I think this has happened with me, this is my belief. We'll not say everybody thinks that, everybody says that, because the session is about you. Okay. Mm-hmm. Second is, can we co-facilitate this workshop with me? You're so many, you're like more than 30-40 people, right? And I'm one human. So can you co-facilitate it with me? Which means when anybody's speaking, anybody's typing anything, anybody says, all thoughts and emotions are welcomed. We'll not cut anybody down. We'll not be like, hey, chup rahe tu, tune kya bola? Right? So we will not be nasty to anybody. We will create a safe space for everybody's thoughts and emotions. Cool? Can you show me some thumbs ups if you get what I'm saying? Awesome. Great. And finally, for next 1 hour, all thoughts and emotions are allowed. Feel like crying, you can cry. You feel like laughing, you can laugh. You feel like bitching, you can bitch, not about me. Right? So you can do all of that. So allow yourself to completely learn a lot of new things today and allow old concepts to break. A lot of old concepts might break. So cool? Works with you? Great. Awesome. I will speak in both Hindi and English because I understand you're from like different states, different places. You might completely not understand Hindi or English. I'm from Delhi, so Hindi slips in. So that's why I'm going to repeat everything. If you don't understand anything, please ask me 20 times. And very important, the question that you think is the worst and silliest and most stupid question, please ask that. It is because you're here to learn. And because you will not ask, maybe that question is also relevant to so many other people and they're also not asking it. तुम कुछ भला कर दोगे किसी का. Cool? So ask questions. Cool? Very nice. So before I begin with social media, I would like to ask you, what do you think is self-esteem? Give me any answer, type it down in the chat box. Any random answer that you think what self-esteem is. Your perspective. You don't have to go textbook. You don't have to be right. Just like, what do you think self-esteem is? Accepting yourself while improving yourself. Smart ho tum log. What else? So I'm writing these keywords, okay? Self-respect, judgment about ourselves, abilities and our worth. Very good. तुम कहीं बाय चांस साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट्स तो नहीं हो? क्लास 12th की साइकोलॉजी बुक किस चीज से लग रही है? Love or motivation for yourself, self-confidence, self-esteem means to fight with our hesitations. Neha has given something very new. I've not heard somebody say this in a long while. Very nice. Putting opinions of yourself, knowledge of who I am, knowing who I am. Okay, cool. Very close enough. What else? Self-confidence. Very nice. So if you will see, most of you, abhi हमने मैंने एक सवाल पूछा. I asked you a question, and now we have it is what we feel about ourselves. So we have some keywords. Okay, one keyword is self-confidence. Most of you wrote self-confidence, right? Second is worth. Did we use, a lot of you use the word worth, right? Third word is self-love, right? Fourth word again is knowing yourself, what are your opinions about yourself, knowing who I actually am. So these are certain keywords, agreed? Which also tells us, and also somebody used the word self-confidence, agreed? So now I have to tell this to you, very, very interesting thing. Self-confidence is not self-esteem. Self-confidence is the result of self-esteem, right? Self-confidence only happens if you will have a higher self-esteem. And self-confidence goes when you have a lower self-esteem. So self-esteem doesn't mean self-confidence. Make sense? It is a byproduct of having a higher self-esteem. Make sense? So a concept to clear again. Coming to what is self-esteem? You have given me beautiful, complicated answers. Self-reliance, worth, all of this. When I was studying psychology, I was like, Baapre, this is very difficult to understand and explain. So then when I became a trainer, I was like, let me make everything easy for people. Would you like an easy peasy definition? Very easy. Super easy for everybody. Let's not speak science. Let's speak normal, ऐसे आम भाषा. Cool? Works? Very nice. Self का क्या मतलब होता है? Very nice. Ag has done this. Self का मतलब होता है मैं. I, me. Very nice. इसका क्या मतलब होता है? नहीं, not the car. I really crack this silly joke in my head every time when I ask people. Esteem basically means a lot of things, but it has three beautiful meanings, which are my favorite. So I'm going to tell them to you. So you don't need to type it down. I am assuming that I will tell this to you, right? So first is, yes, it can mean respect, definitely. But other words, the three most important words which esteem means is something or someone who's valuable, capable, and lovable. All right. So something, someone, anything, living, non-living. But in this case, we're talking about humans. So a human who's valuable, lovable, and capable. You can use any other synonyms that you like. These are my favorite. So self-esteem means it is a process of me believing that I, because self means I, right? It is, please write it down when I'm saying, it is a process, and please write process in bolds. It is a process of believing that I am valuable, lovable, and capable. Making sense? Are you people on the same page till now? Awesome, great, because this is incomplete definition. It means it is a process of believing I'm valuable, lovable, and capable, but in a particular context. Your I, yourself, keeps changing in every context. Do you agree? Right now, you are a learner and I am a facilitator. When I will move to the other room, when I have to make tea, I'll become a daughter. The context changed. If I am sitting in a bus, I'm a passenger. The context changed. If you're teaching me and I'm learning, then I'm a student, then context changed. So do you see that your self is changing in every context? Agreed? So then how can your self-esteem remain same? Right? It is told to us that you should always be confident. You should always have a high self-esteem. You should always feel like this. How can you always feel same level of self-esteem when your self is not at the same level at all times? So how many of you have been to mountains? Like right now I'm in Nainital, so I'm having a lot of fun, right? So how many of you been to mountains? You can show me, show of hands. You've been, Sheetal has not been to mountains ever in life. You need to. Okay, so Sheetal ke liye, everybody, how many of you have been to mountains? Do you realize upar jaake your breathing is different? Do you agree? Your breathing becomes different when it is on plains than when it is on mountains because the oxygen level varies, so your breathing is shallower and your ears get blocked, right? When breathing is a physical process, when digestion, good evening, right? So digestion is a process, breathing is a physical process. Similarly, self-esteem is a mental process. When your physical processes keep changing with different environments, so do your mental processes. Do you agree तुम्हारी concentration हमेशा same नहीं रहती? It varies according to where you're sitting. It's a mental process. Similarly, the process of feeling that I am valuable, lovable, and capable, the degree of it is also changing. So congratulations if you constantly do not feel high level of self-esteem because it is unrealistic. How can you constantly feel? So, for example, if I sit and I'm going to drive a car for the first time today, am I supposed to have high self esteem? How can I? No. Only when I will have driven the car 20 times, it will start increasing. Do you agree? So, my point being, it is absolutely normal to have low self esteem in some contexts, as long as you know how to get it back up. Does it make sense? Now that you understand self esteem, how many of you agree ये तो बहुत ही important process है बाप रे. I want to feel valuable, lovable and capable in my own eyes. How many of you feel that कि ये तो बहुत ही जरूरी है? Damn, I need it. I need to learn. How many of you feel that? Very nice. So I have a very brilliant thing to now tell you. Since it is so important, it is like one of your survival mechanisms of your mind. Do you agree? If you do not feel valuable, if you do not feel capable, if you do not feel lovable in your own self, what kind of thoughts and emotions do you have? Type it down in the chat box for me. Negative thoughts, very nice. Down, uninvolving, low motivation, anxiety, very good, very good. I'm not good enough. I'm not doing nicely. Low motivation. I'll feel very low. Brilliant. Unable to concentrate. Very nice. Guilt, self-doubt, irritation. Very nice. Imaginations. Very nice. Low confidence level. Amazing. Now tell me, in comparison, if you have a higher self-esteem, in some context, when you feel that you are capable, valuable, and lovable, what are your thoughts and emotions there? Positivity. Okay. Happy. I'm important, more productive, more high spirited, confident, full of confidence. I want to enjoy, positive, optimistic. Great. So you see a difference, right? Now I'll tell you something very cool. For your brain to be productive, motivated, wanting to do something, it needs to move from states of lower to higher self-esteem. Where right now, even if you don't feel that valuable, lovable, capable, eventually you need to do something to make it feel like that. Agreed? Fun fact. Most of us live in India. Who has taught us how can I increase my self-esteem? Are you being taught in school? I was not, right? How many of you know any method? Any method? Literally nobody, Rhythm, right? Thank you for relating with me. Because when I started building the workshop, this was 3 years back, I built this workshop. I had to do it in IIT Delhi. It blew my mind. And ever since then, the definition of self-esteem has also changed so much for me. And I realized, hey, Bhagwan, I don't know how can I make myself feel valuable, lovable, capable? I know how to eat. I know how to take a shower. I know how to brush my teeth. These processes I know. Now tell me, Anuradha is writing by listening to songs. By listening to songs, you will not have thoughts of, I'm not good enough. How will you have thoughts of, I am good enough? You can run away from negative thoughts by listening to songs, by deep breathing. How will you produce the feeling of I'm valuable, lovable, capable? Right? Now I'll tell you something very nice. Motivational, inspiring books, very nice. By doing something I'm good at. So you people know certain ways. These things take a lot of mehnat. Do you agree? Meditation, doing all of these things take mehnat. So some people like Mark Zuckerberg, if you've seen the Social Network, if you've seen the movie, so Mark Zuckerberg was a brilliant man. He was like, समझ आ गया इन लोगों को भूख लगी हुई है. They are hungry for feeling love, valuable and capable because it is their survival need. Agreed? But these people don't know how to feel that. So how about I create a system where they can actually start feeling very valuable, lovable and capable like this. Now tell me, I'm going to ask a question and it's directly going to answer what I'm asking you. How many of you are on Instagram and Facebook? Dimple, you've come for a social media workshop. You're not on Instagram and Facebook. Okay. How many of you have seen people on Instagram and Facebook? You have seen at least. Like you know your friends or family there. Very nice. I have a question. Imagine you just put a very nice picture. Cool. So you just put a picture on Instagram or you just put a like picture on Facebook. Maybe it was a poster, maybe it was your picture, maybe anything that you put there. And it's been 3 hours, but it has just 3 likes. Fahim has started smiling. Usko chup gaya pehle ye ki oh shit kya bol diya. So it has just 3 likes. Honestly, tell me, how do you start feeling? डिम्पल से मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं हूं ही नहीं सोशल मीडिया पे अभी. रीड अदर पीपल्स आंसर्स, डिम्पल, you will love it. Honestly, be very honest, because I will tell you, I'm there too, right? I have to put posters, I have to put my content out there. Most of you might be influencers or doing something like that. So how do you feel when it has like very, I'm not good? Thank you, Nikki. I'm very, very proud of you people for being honest. I'm not good enough. Very nice. What else? Embarrassed, down, unappreciated. People delete that post only. They start, deleting those posts, or they'll be like, pata nahi kya ho gaya, kaun sa wo nahi dala. Then I read these random weird hashtags that people, put, and it makes me laugh. It was like, I'm not good enough, or I post something else, I will delete it. See, so many people are. So I think I can read so many. I have done so much. Someone doing more than creates feeling of accomplishment. Very nice, Sheetal. Now I have a very nice question. The illusion, if you see, social media creates in quick. Social media is a pseudo quick source of self-esteem, because you might not get 100 compliments in a day, but you can get 100 likes, right? So when you post a picture and it starts getting likes, even though a person might not even know you, or they've not even ever met you, or they've not even seen your picture ever, they just like it, just like passing down, and you start feeling, oh, I'm good enough. Do you see the illusion it creates? Do you agree? Because, do you agree, people? Are you there? Very nice. Because it is a damn easy and damn approachable and damn quick source of pseudo self-esteem. I'll tell you why pseudo. Pseudo self-esteem, we all run towards it. क्योंकि हमें सिखाया तो है नहीं कि सेल्फ एस्टीम हाई कैसे करनी है. तो हमारी इस लैक को किसी एक इंसान ने पकड़ लिया, फिर अब उसने इंस्टाग्राम भी बना दिया, फिर उसने अब स्नैपचैट बना दिया, फिर उसने कुछ और बना दिया. Then we had TikTok coming in. So do you see? So many people are going crazy about it because it is a very, very, very quick source of self-esteem. Those 100 people don't even know you. Agree? Do you know how it impacts you? Would you like to talk further about it? करें थोड़ी सी बात? Very nice. So I have a question. ये मेरा favorite question है. इस workshop का ये मेरा सबसे favorite question है. When you post a picture, or you're about to post a picture or any content, before that, everybody has a totka. We have figured out certain totkas of getting more likes and views. Everybody has some totkas. For example, my totka used to be, if I post, maybe during this time, I get more likes. So I would love to know one totka from each one of you that you have, that you use to get more likes, or like more shares or more views. So what is one totka, or anything you've heard, anything that you've heard also that people use? I have a lot of them. Thank you, Sakshi. People write filmy, amazing captions sometimes. More hashtags, very good. They tag people. I get tagged in random things. Right? What else? Hashtags, very nice. Posting thoughtful quotes, very good. What else? What else? What else? You use filters. Thank you so much for saying filters, Ananya. I have a question from all of you. What do you filter in your pictures? Approval from social media fan, very good. Captions, quotes, more stories, more reels people have started making. What else? What do you filter in your pictures? Like a lot of people put black and white pictures, right? What do you filter in your pictures? Inspiration story डालने की कोशिश करते हो, very good. Some people put songs into their stories, right? So do you see, that most of us have totkas of getting more likes and more views. Agreed? Very nice. Because of such quickness in getting immediate gratification, and because of so many totkas, all of us, you, me, everybody, humorous comments. I also do that, George. Very nice. So most of us have entered something. Now, this is the term that I coined, and I love this term. We are a part of something called the edit culture. We edit so many things in our pictures to make them more desirable and more likable. Do you agree? So my question to you is, I would like to know 2 things that you edit about yourself before putting a picture out. I used to edit my double chin. So I used to be really conscious about it. So that was one thing I used to edit. What do you edit in your pictures? Just color effect. Very nice. My acne. Thank you so much, Janvi, for saying that. A lot of people do that. Think, or you've heard people edit about it. That's okay, even if you don't. You filter your acne again. Palak is also saying that. How many of you, before a picture is clicked, you just like take your stance in? Right? Fairness, very good. My tummy, somebody's written, Nikki's written fairness, okay. You make it more brighter to look like height and tummy, very nice. Your color. You see, all of us are in the same boat. We want to look more brighter, more shinier, use filters, जैसे pink बन जाए ताकि थोड़ा सा fairness. Very good. So few of you don't edit anything, but you've seen other people edit, stuff like that. Okay. So ये जो जितने लोग हैं जो कहने वो कुछ edit नहीं करते, तुमसे मेरा एक सवाल है. Imagine you're having a horrible day. Like sometimes you're having a horrible day. How many of you like having like very horrible day? Sometimes I use filters with makeup. Thank you, Srijal. Like amazing answers I've got. How many of you like sometimes you're on a trip, you're going somewhere and you're having a horrible day? And suddenly somebody brings out the selfie camera or the camera. What do? What's your instinct? Dimple is saying smile. Okay. What's your instinct? You smile. Absolutely. How many of you post ऐसे रोते हुए पिक्चर्स से आंसू निकल रहे हैं, हैशटैग बहुत एंजाइटी हो रही है, बैंड बजी पड़ी है, मेरे बस की नहीं है, जिन्हें सब तुम लिखते हो कभी? That's exactly what I'm saying, people. You also edit what you're actually feeling for social media. Nobody's posting out there that my life is miserable. So people who say that we don't edit anything, if you notice, you still edit something. Your content should look happy, it should look approachable, it should look very extroverted, it should look very, aisa. So if you will understand that, we are not just editing physical things, we also edit mental things. Agreed? So now I have an activity for you. Do you have a pen and paper? Good. Abhi imagine karo tum koi shape hote to kaun si shape hote? What shape would you be? Like for example, I feel like a heart. I think I'll be a heart shape. You can be any shape and draw it on the paper. No one knows I'm suffering behind the smile. Absolutely. No, ma'am, I've never edited anything. Tanu, then that's very nice. If you've not edited, very good, but you're still in the workshop, so you'll know other people edit. So whenever somebody will talk to you, you'll know the impact on their self-esteem. So I've drawn a heart. Okay. Palak has drawn a star. You can show me what you've drawn. So once you've drawn, just like show it to me. Seeing what people are drawing. Some a blue heart. Oh, okay. Somebody's drawn a tree. Very nice. Suhana, what have you drawn? Nothing. Think of any circle bana lo, kuch bhi bana lo, just draw a shape. Very nice. What are you, Dimple? Show me. George has drawn a swan. Srijal is a smiling face. You just have to draw an outline, a shape, any shape. You're a circle. Fahim abhi bhi soch raha hai, to complicated bana raha hai. Kuch trapezium aisa lag raha hai mujhe. What are you? Show me. Very nice. It's a flower. Okay. Very good. People are drawing diamonds and everything. Smiley faces. Amazing. That's amazing. So some people I can't see. I'm hoping कि तुम लोगों ने भी कोई shape बना ली है. ठीक है? Great. Now every time, now pick up another color pen or like the same color pen. Pick it up. Okay. I'm going to show you what activity we're doing. Are you ready? Very nice. Now think of something. This shape is you, right? Okay. So think of anything that you edit in your picture, if you've ever edited. And the moment you think of one thing, just like put a as a line on one of the shape. So for example, this is for my double chin, right? All right. Okay. Then I also edit. I think I've been told I have a very toothpaste advertisement smile. Like this is my constant smile. So I try to like really close my mouth and like smile. So I think another thing that I edit. So think of things that you edit, color, captions, and just keep putting essay cuts or lines on the shape. And I'll tell you why we're doing it. And let's see. It's not a competition that you win or lose. It's for your understanding. Okay, Lakshmi is saying she doesn't like to edit. One time she edited. So Lakshmi, you can put one line if you want. It's fine. Just for the sake of activity, you can do it. So I've put like these lines. Once you're done, let me. Anurag is done. Okay. So now I want to tell you people something very cool. Do you understand what the word edit means? The word edit means to reject or to cut. To reject or to cut anything from its original form, right? You edit your acne, you edit your double chin, you edit your emotions, you edit, how you're feeling, you edit your thoughts, you edit your tummy, you edit your height, you edit your chest, you edit your brain, you edit your hair, you edit so many things. Which means you are rejecting showing people your double chin, your weight, your height, your how do you exactly look, how do you exactly feel. Agreed? I have a question from you. Are you a whole living being? Are all these parts living parts of you? Right? When you reject or cut any living part of your, any living being, how does that living being feel? Anurag says bad. Okay. How do you think if you reject a living person or, a living creature, how would they feel? Or you just like cut them out? Or you hide them because you're embarrassed? They'll feel horrible, hurt, disrespected, बहुत रोना आएगा, they can cry, very nice, hurt होगा, ignore feel करेंगे, उनको कितना गुस्सा आएगा तुम पे, like if you really reject somebody, they'll be angry at you. Possible? Congratulations. All your body fat, hair, acne, skin, जिसको तुम reject कर रहे हो subconsciously, don't you think in counter all these part of you are they're sad, not happy, if it's disrespected, they're angry back at you. And then you say कि मैं अपने goals तक क्यों नहीं पहुंच रही, मेरी motivation low क्यों है, why do I feel bad about myself, why do I have this constant anxiety, why am I'm doing so much deep breathing, I'm doing so many things, why do I constantly keep feeling I'm not good enough? It is because you very, very subtly, to get more photo likes for there, reject some beautiful part of you. They are like, अच्छा, very good. ये करने के लिए मेरे को reject कर दिया. And then they internally start feeling very sad. And then you're not living a whole life. And when you have to reach huge goals and you're ambitious people, how will you reach those goals? Half. You need to be a whole human to reach there, right? That is why it is taking longer time for most of us to reach our goals, because a lot of our parts are not even in our support, because they're like, you reject me, I reject you. Can you elaborate what is pseudo? Pseudo means nakli, fake. The likes that you get, the appreciation you get from out there by hiding a lot of actually who you are, that's fake, because then that's not for exactly who you are. That's for the edited version of you. Until how long can you remain edited? So that's the impact of social media on your self-esteem, on my self-esteem. It is very, very subconsciously making a lot of your parts hurt. So no matter how many motivational videos you see, no matter how much of, so many activities you do meditation, but in turn, when you go and you keep rejecting your body, your mind, so many things just to get those more likes, and not talking about you, look at the entire generation throughout the world. Look at the influencers. They only show you happy side. How many of them have posted they're on medication for anxiety, or they're actually having so much difficulty today, or their likes are not going up, or their work is not happening, they don't have money? How many of them post that? Nobody. How many of film stars, so many people, they have like amazing camera, they have amazing camera work, amazing makeup work, and we feel, oh, usko zyada like mil rahi, main bhi ye karti hu, mujhe bhi milegi. Then we start comparing, because we were really, at the end of the day, why are we doing all of this? What is our goal? What do I want? I want to feel good about myself. Agreed? That is why, and the only source of feeding this hunger becomes social media for most of us, especially now during the lockdown. If you will see, all of us are right there on the screen, right? Because there's nothing else to do. What other recreational activity will you go and do? What other things do you do? That's the only source now left, right? Then now people have Clubhouse. It's crazy, right? So now people are there, and it's sad when I listen to so many people on Clubhouse, because I can see the desperation for being liked. Only if somebody could teach us one or two activities about what can I do to feel good about myself. What if I teach you one or two of them today? Would you like that? It'll be good, right? करें नहीं करें, छोड़ दे, इतना काफी था, कर लेते हैं ना, मुझे भी लगता है कर लेते हैं. So how about eating some real food rather than pseudo food for your brain? So when I was developing this workshop, now I have this thing, whenever I develop a workshop, I apply all the techniques on myself first. So I completely, every month for like 15 days, I completely switch off my social media. Only my Mind Simplified account remains like active, because that's where I have to post like, a lot of my workshop stuff and everything. And I don't post much content over there. And it is an auto run machinery. So I don't even have to put brain and everything. Everything is done like very, very easy. So, but I realized that when I'm reading so many things, it impacted me a lot. So I completely went off social media. And I went mad mentally. I was like, what is happening? How many of you have had FOMO? You start getting so much FOMO. This was 3 years back, and I was like, what is happening? I'm an addict. I can feel like withdrawal symptoms happening. It is because the only source of self-esteem now is gone. Now, who will tell me I'm good enough? Now, nobody knows what is happening in my life. I don't know what is happening in other people's life. And what if some new trend comes and I miss it? So for 3 days, it was so painful. I was like, वापस चलते हैं, छोड़, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It is okay. And then on the 4th day, I did something really cool. I was just sitting and I noticed that I had a thought about this new, workshop that I wanted to create. And I was like, wow, man, I'm really capable of thinking amazing things. And then I realized, if I switch off my social media, my brain, who's hungry, actually starts looking for real life evidences and examples of how I'm valuable, lovable, and capable, instead of looking for pseudo evidences on social media. There are so many gestures, actions, mental and physical, that you are doing every damn day, which you are not noticing. And when they go unnoticed, that is why you do not have actual people edited social media as well. Okay, cool. Right? So you people actually, we just lack one ability to do not notice that I'm doing good. Do you agree? Actually, you're doing 2 million things every day. How many things do you notice you've done good? You are doing it, but not noticing it. So it's like, I make you go into a room. This is my favorite metaphor. And I tell you that there is gold in this room. And you're like, but I can't see it. I said, of course, it's a dark room. What will you do? What do you need to do to see the gold? It's a dark room. So gold is there. You can't see it. What will you do? Switch on the light. Thank you. Most of us feel hum kuch kar hi nahi rahe. We're not doing anything. What I'm actually telling you is, you are actually, if you notice, taking 1.1 step every day towards your goal. Maybe a 2 step, maybe 3 steps, maybe 0.001% steps, but you are taking a step. Isn't that makes you very valuable, lovable, and capable? Who said that I will only feel valuable, lovable, capable when I reach here? Why can't I feel it here, 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 here? Who said I will only appreciate myself when I will achieve my goal? Why can't you appreciate your self for taking one step towards your goal, and then tomorrow again step towards your goal, and again towards your goal? So why are we so confused? It is because subconsciously we live in a culture where we were taught तारीफ करने से बच्चे बिगड़ जाते हैं, सर पे बैठ जाएंगे, को तो डंडा वाला तो बेस्ट तरीका है, और अगर गलती हो जाए तो पीट दो बच्चे को, मतलब एक चांटा तो पड़ता ही है, वरना इसको अक्कल कैसे आएगी? This is exactly how we internalize, and this is exactly how we start behaving with ourselves. कि मुझसे गलती हुई है, चलो मैं अपनी दुनिया जहान की गालियां अपने आप को दे लेती हूँ बैठ के, आज मजा ही आ जाएगा. We start punishing ourselves, and for doing any small thing also good. इसमें क्या बड़ी बात है? What's so big deal about it? Why should I appreciate myself? It is because you were not appreciated on small things when you were very young in school or home, which we should have. Do you agree? अरे करना चाहिए था. अग्री करते हो? मजे आ जाता. इमेजिन और सेल्फ एस्टीम क्या सॉलिड होती है सिर्फ. तो अब कर लेते हैं. कौन सी देर हो गई है? I agree we did not switch on the light when we were 10, but we can switch it on now. Would you like to do it? So I have a task for you people. Self-pampering, basically, not self-pampering. Self-pampering is physical gestures where you actually go and you physically do something for yourself. You buy something for yourself, right? I will not use the word pampering. I would use the word rewarding, or I would use the word appreciating, or I would use the word celebrating. Do you celebrate yourself? That's what I'm saying. So I have a task for all of you. Write down on a piece of paper today. Exactly right what I'm saying. So write down today. I am valuable, lovable, capable. You can use any one word. You can use all three words. You can use two words. It's completely up to you. Because. And under this because, I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. You have to write 15 points. Now you can pick up any big things that happened today, small things that happened today, other people that did to you, you did something today, mental, physical gestures, anything. आज मैंने सोचा कि मैं sorry बोल देती हूँ, is a big deal. Not everybody thinks that also, right? So do that. So now for next 3 minutes, you will write 15 points. Great thing will be your brain is like, हाँ 15 चीजें तो मेरे में अच्छी नहीं है. That's your challenge. Where your brain now has to learn that there are 15 things, you're switching on the light today. So start. I accept myself as I am. So Sanjoli, I would love for you to elaborate. Elaborate a little more. This is again umbrella. So today I was very good. Your brain will be like, hey, ये तो बहुत umbrella term है. How about today I picked up my own glass, kept it in the kitchen. That minor I want you to go. Which pitfalls? Harpreet, it's amazing to write I accept my pitfalls. I would want you to elaborate. Only then you will be able to write 15 points. It is like if I tell you that you are very good, you'll be like, okay. But how about I tell you that today when you spoke to me politely and you explained to me why something you did not like, I really liked that. Do you see a huge difference in elaborating? You are good is different, and exactly writing down what gesture, what thought you had is different, because your brain will have a concrete evidence then. Right? So write elaborate concrete evidences. Don't write generalized statements. Yeah, अभी 15 लिख लोगे, कल क्या करोगे? because I have chosen happiness, right? I'm capable and strong enough to cope up with all my hardships. Now, Rhythm, again, generalized statement. You can't actually cope up with all your hardships. Tell me today one hardship that you coped with. You see what I'm trying to do? We're just talking about today. We're not talking about tomorrow. We're not talking about life. This activity is for today. So tell me things you did today, because I have been polite all day. Amazing. I love it. Sakshi is writing, didn't stalk him. Sakshi? Sakshi is like, today I'm very valuable and capable because I did. It's your ex? You didn't stalk your ex? Okay, cool. I got it. So congratulations. So today she did not stalk her ex is a huge deal. I'm valuable because I exist. Very nice. Again, देखो इतना philosophical और heavy जाओगे ना, 3 दिन में exhaust हो जाओगे. Because then your brain will like, सब तो लिख दिया, अब क्या लिखूं? Write concrete evidences. Like today, right now in the workshop, I was able to connect with my audience. Today, I was able to make Sakshi smile. Today, I was able to tell Ananya to send me the link beforehand. Yesterday, I called Ananya before I had to change my time. So you see, there are so many concrete evidences that I'm saying. I had a better diet. Today, I'm valuable, capable. Enjoying the first time a video session. Congratulations. Dimple, again, you're writing, I believe in myself is a very umbrella term. What do you believe in yourself? What are those thoughts that you like? What do you mean by that? So open it up for your brain. Otherwise, it sounds very general to your brain. Nikki has written such amazing thing. I don't know, Nikki's a he or she, but okay. In an open forum, I raised voice against injustice happening. Very good. Sanjoli, amazing. She's written, I completed my pending work. I offered my car to a colleague going for operation soon. Amazing. I thought about doing a course, and you see, he's written what thought also was countable. She, okay, Nikki's a she. Thank you so much for telling me. I prepared food for my family. I forgave and did not get angry. I could help my wife in cooking. That is so sweet. What did you cook, George? I'm very. If you talk food, then I'll completely detour. I drank 12 glasses of water today. Are you taking the session from bathroom? Just kidding. See, so I'm very capable of cracking almost nice, funny jokes. Push myself to go for a walk and felt energetic. How many of you right now feel like logging into a social media to get your self-esteem high? How are you feeling after doing this activity? Sakshi saying very nice. I started my French class today. Amazing. I pushed myself to attend this session. I hope kuch badhiya maza aaya. You feel amazing, right? I challenge you. Do this activity. Every night, sit down, write down 11 points of things you did nice or good today that make you feel valuable, lovable, and capable. For everybody, the definition of these 3 words is different. So you write according to your definition, okay? And email me on the 11th day and tell me how your life is. मैं हर वर्कशॉप में कहती हूँ, मेरे को तो फ्रॉड समझो, मैं फ्रॉड हूँ, झूठी बोल रही हूँ, करके देखो. I have proven it to you that doing this activity is immediately making you feel so better. थोड़ी बल्ब जली, ट्यूबलाइट भी जल जाएगी. बल्ब जला किसी का छोटा सा, किसी को थोड़ा गोल्ड दिखना शुरू हुआ. Great. So it is absolutely normal to have low self-esteem as long as you know how to get it back up. It is absolutely fine to not see that you're doing good right. Please start seeing it if you do this activity. So it is very, very important to take physical actions to change your brain and their habits. अभी बचपन में नहीं सिखाया, अब तो सिखा दिया, अब कर लेते हैं. So you can get in touch with me, email me if you feel there are other things that, they're blocking you or you're not being able to look at, good things. It is absolutely fine to get some professional help, see somebody. It is just like emotional tutoring. You do not need to have a mental health illness or a condition to go seek help. It is very, very important that if you feel कि नहीं मेरे को कुछ तो block कर रहा है, तो जाके पूछ लो. I'm always available. So email me. And I think thank you so much everybody for coming in. How are you people feeling? If people are typing so much, मैं पढ़ लेती हूँ एक बार. Okay, you're feeling wonderful. It's brain and heart opening. Very nice. listen to. I listened to you. I feel motivated. Activity was good. Okay. Nikki saying not only gold, diamond. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you, everybody. Also, so my Instagram is mind_simplified. So you can find me over there. I do a lot of workshops, and Sundays we also do free sessions for like everybody in the community. And I would love for all of you to do it. Get back at me. Ask me anything. मैं session करके भाग नहीं जाती हूँ. And my email ID is mindsimplified.official@gmail.com. And Ananya is very kind enough to type it down in the chat box for you people. So thank you so much for making my Friday evening super amazing. Thank you so much for joining in and staying and doing all of these things. And I hope you learned something valuable. And I would love to, like, speak the email again. Okay, my email is mindsimplified.official. बहुत easy, right? So you can email me, we can get in touch, and thank you so much. And super, 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 super grateful and thankful for such a young person to invite me for this session. And I think NGO Sarthi is doing a great job. So thank you so much, Ananya, for having me. And you people can speak, say anything that you want to, and the forum is completely yours. If you want to ask anything, say anything, completely yours. So Ananya, we can give them the privilege to like open their mic up. ऐसा कर सकते हैं?
Sure, ma'am. I have allowed the participants.
That's so nice to read, Sandhya. It's amazing.
But thanks a lot to you, ma'am, for first of all for your time. You were having your trip in Nainital, and we just invited you for this. So first of all, thanks a lot for the time. And I honestly enjoyed the session a lot, and I feel so energetic. In fact, I was a little tired when I was going to start the session. I had a hectic day today, but honestly, I feel so pumped and so energetic. And you were so lively, and actually, you actually proved that you're actually Geet of Jab We Met, no doubt about it. So thanks a lot. And I think apart from the lively session, I learned a lot today, a lot of information. So thanks a lot for that. And sorry for the background noise by my Labrador.
No, that's a lovely background noise. I need a picture now.
Definitely, I'll be sending that to you. So thanks a lot, everyone, for joining in, and we are getting some positive and lovely feedback. Thanks a lot, every one of you, for your time and for making this session successful. So
thank you, everybody. Thank you so much for the lovely, lovely feedback that you're also giving. So thank you so much. And yes, my energy is like this because I do this activity every day. So karke dekho. So thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Have fun and enjoy. I would love to see most of you like beyond the screen whenever. So take care, and I'll see you soon.
thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks, everyone. Had a great session. Thank you. See you all tomorrow. Goodbye. Thank you.